Do you know a country can have constitution but still fails its people?
Make sure to follow the channel to gain more knowledge.
A constitution is simple, a rule book of a country.
It tells who has power, how government works, and what rights people have.
For example, in India, we follow the Constitution of India. Let's come to the main point. What is preamble? It's very important for beginners. The preamble of the Indian Constitution is the introduction or intro page of the Constitution. It tells the goal of India. It includes justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. In simple, preamble what India wants to become. What is constitutional morality?
Constitutional morality means following not just the rules, but also the values behind them.
Not just laws, but also justice, fairness, equality. It means respect constitution, use power responsibly, protect people's rights. This concept was strongly explained by B.R. Ambedkar.
He said, constitutional morality is not passion. It must be learned.
For example, if a leaders use power legally but unfairly, it is not constitutional morality because they are misusing it. Now let's see the other example. If government protects minority rights, even if majority dislikes, this is constitutional morality. They are standing towards the justice. Why all this happening? Because constitution support equality plus justice over public emotions. The real life importance are courts uses this idea to give justice. It helps protect minorities, stop misuses of power, maintain democracy, and it enhances government work for people, not for power. And also, we have a recent update that in 2026, government questions some Supreme Court judgment based on constitutional morality. Debate whether this concept is too subjective depends on interpretation. Means, some says it protects rights, others says it can be interpreted directly. So, it's an activity debate topic. Now let's see the types of majorities. The first one we have simple majority. It is more than 50% of members present in the meeting to pass the bills. Second one, special majority. 1/3 people majority has to be present. The third one, absolute majority. More than 50% of total strength has to be accepted. The fourth one, effective majority. Excluded vacant seats. The next topic is types of government. The first type is federal government. Power shared between central and state. Example, India and also USA. The second type of government is unitary government. All power with central. Example, United Kingdom.
Constitution is not just, it is the soul of industry.
And constitutional morality is what keeps the soul alive.